Hello guys, good morning sa inyong lahat. Ayan o, nandito na kami sa Pililya, Rizal mga idol. Biyahe na naman pala kami ngayon mga idol sa galing Maynila papuntang Mindanao. Uuwi na kami mga idol. Ayan, dalawa lang kami mga idol. At tatlo pala kami, may kasama kami busa o. Makulit. Yun o. Biyahe kami mga idol, sa Mindanao kami mga idol. Ito na kami sa Pililya, Rizal. Ayan yung yung windmill. Yung pusa makulit, kasama namin. Update ko na lang kayo mga idol sa biyahe namin. Ganda ng view dito mga idol oh. Dito pa rin to sa Pililya, Quezon mga idol. Ganda oh. Kita yung Laguna Bay oh. Biyahe na ulit kami mga idol. Tapos na kami nagpapicture dito sa magandang view dito sa yeah. Kaya actually malayo pa yung 500 kilometers pa yung Matnog. Sakit na lang mga idol. Wala lang, update na lang mamaya. Baka nandun na kami sa ibang lugar. Bye bye. Dito na kami guys sa bayan ng Pagsanahan, Laguna. Ayan o, welcome to Pagsanahan. Pagsanahan Falls, nandun lang yun sa kabilang daan. Ayan pa, 100 kilometers pa yung Matnog. Malayo-layo pa. Madaling araw siguro natin dito sa Matnog.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset to the taste.
Dito kami nadaan. Dito malayo. Dito malapit lang to, 3 minutes lang.
Continue on Asian Highway 26 for 34 kilometers.
Yung tinatawag na dito sa Kumalok. Tapos lang tapos dito sa
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't wait here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine,
Dito na kami, nakababa na kami guys sa ano, sa Bitutang Manok. Pagbilaw pa rin to. Kilometer sa Mansog, Subol. Bypass para hindi kami dadaan sa bayan kasi napaka-traffic dyan, oh. Daming repair na ano dyan.
Bypass Road for 12 kilometers.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life?
Nandito na kami guys sa boundary ng ano, Bicolandia. Ayun, oh. Sa Camarines Norte na kami. Alas 12 na ng gabi guys. Pahinga muna kami dito sa ano, may waiting shed. Ayun. yung kasama ko. Para maka-edit muna saglit. Kahit na mga kailahating oras lang na idlip, okay na yan. Kasama naming pusa, oh. Lucy! Lucy! May kasama kaming pusa, guys, eh. Laro-laro siya. Lucy! Maya-maya konti, bakbak na naman kami, biyahe na naman. Good morning, guys. Alas 5 na ng umaga, nandito na kami sa Barangay Erosin, sakop ng Sorsogon. Malapit na kami, 26 kilometers na lang. Magmag na kami. Ganda na ano, umaga na. Pahinga muna kami saglit dito, sa anong waiting shed. Yung pusang, yung dala namin pusa, oh. Lucy! 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 Sobrang nakakanto kanina. Diretso na sana, nandun na sana kami ngayon. Kanina pa. Minto lang kami, sobrang inaantok na kasi ako. Kusang kumipikit yung mata ko. Kaya minto lang kami saglit. Yan, biyahe na ulit kami, mga idol. Yun o, sumunod yung ano, pusa o. Ito na. Kaya tayo, ulis na tayo. Sakay ka na dyan, sakay na.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste.
Dito na kami, guys, sa loob ng ferryboat. Dalawang oras lang ano nito, dalawang oras ang biyahe. Sakay na kami sa ferryboat.
Andito yung tablet mo ha. Hawakan mo yan ha. Yung alis niya na, dyan ka lang. Hindi, huwag mo na isutin. Oh. Ika na, doon ka. Huwag kang alis ka na, dyan ka lang. Dito siya na yan. Ako, salutan ako. Hindi.
Nandito na kami guys sa Gandara, Leyte. Papahinga muna kami saglit. I-dip muna kami. Sobrang nakakantok.
Wow.
Kasama namin po sa Lucy! Lucy! 300 kilometers na lang. At yung ano, yung Paliluan. Yan o. Guys, biyahe na ulit kami guys. Kilometers pa yung babiyahin namin papuntang Liloan Port. guys sa San Juanico Bridge. Alas 9 na ng gabi mga idol. Narating namin yung San Juanico.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Magaling araw na guys. Nandito na kami sa malapit na 10 kilometers na lang ang diluan. Lapit-lapit na, nagpagas lang kami dito. Minto lang kami nagpagas. Ito ay gas station to eh. Ayan o. Gas station. Pagas lang kami saglit. Grabe, kakatila lang ng ulan. Grabe ang lakas ng ulan. Galing sa Tacloban papunta rito. Ang lakas ng ulan. Kakatila lang talaga ng ulan, no? Basa nga. Ayan. Interviewin natin yung kasama natin, guys. Ano kaya pa? Kaya pala. Hambog-hambog pag istorya sa kaya lagi na eh. Kaya? Anong masasabi na sa ano?
Hindi na kamusap.
Kaya pala. Kaya okay, anad naman ko na sanay na sa. May isa pang makulit dito. Pusa. Alas 12 ng madaling araw. Yan. Pahinga lang kami saglit. Maya bakbak na naman kunti. Tara. Biyahe na kami ulit, guys. Baka uulan ulit to. Yun, umambo na naman, oh. Maganda yung makakuha na kami ng ticket doon para makapahinga doon sa loob ng ferryboat. Update talagang mamaya, guys, pag dating namin sa pier. Nandito na kami sa Montenegro. Ayan, Montenegro yung nasakyan namin. Masama yung panahon, no? Nabidyohan yung pagbaba namin kasi lubat akong cellphone ko. So, Surigao, ayan na. Ayan o. Butuan City. Biyahe na ulit, mga idol. Buti na lang hindi maulan dito. Hindi katulad sa Bitaya, hindi ulan. Simula doon sa Tacloban hanggang dyan sa Liluan, grabe, lakas ang ulan. Basa nga yung pantalon ko kahit na may kaputi, tumagos eh. Yan o, natuyo na lang yung natuyo na lang to eh. Grabing lakas ang ulan kanina. Buti dito, walang ulan, no?